Good afternoon, guys. The second legendary daughter out of the Kareli 08816 pair is 04159. A four-time winner for us, double union winner, combine winner, and the middle distance ice pigeon in the old GRPA combine. Again, same size as 04159, very small little hen, very short little bones, breastbone here. She's getting old, she's 11, not fertile anymore. Very rich eye. And again, those wings on the last four. Thin flights, well ventilated. Carries zero weight. We used to race this in 10, 12, 13, 14 weeks in a row as a yearling and as a 2-year-old. Just never tire. They're always in front, always back into form the next Sunday after the race. This is magnificent. Now this hen has left a legacy unbelievable. She's the great grandmother to our Sapir winner by 11.5 minutes on the final 2023. This hen is the grandmother to Fred van Heerden's 2 ice pigeons, 2 super breeders. She's the grandmother to Isaac Marais' 181 super breeding hen. The list is endless on this pigeon. I can't start by telling you what she's bred. For instance, as well, she's the grandmother to second final, first ice, Cape Town now, last week on the final in the winter race. I've embarked onto a breeding program to breed stock half brothers, half sisters out of this hen. The legacy is just mind-blowing. Lately they actually combine with the 810 superbly for some of our friends. And yes, just to show you the legendary 04159 middle distance ice pigeon. We've got sons, grandsons, granddaughters of hers in stock. Some of our best breeders. Magnificent old lady. Thank you so much. Right here, another